In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and fix the microphone in Google Chrome. Whether you're getting that annoying microphone not working error, or just want to set things up correctly from the start, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by locating the settings in your Chrome browser. Head over to the top right corner of your browser. You'll see a three-dot menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu of options. From here, select Settings. This is where all your Chrome customizations live. And from here, we'll get our microphone sorted. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left of your screen where you'll see a menu with a few different categories. What we want here is Privacy and Security. Click on that, and then, under this section, look for Site Settings. Click on it. This will take us to another page where we control how sites interact with things like your camera, location, and, yes, your microphone. Now, scroll down until you see the Permissions section. Here you'll find Microphone. Click on it, and this is where we can choose which input device Chrome should use. If you've got multiple microphones or headsets, make sure to choose the correct one from the drop-down menu. It's essential to select the right device to ensure Chrome is listening through the right microphone. Next, just double-check a crucial setting. Ensure that Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone is switched on. This will let sites request to use your mic when necessary. It's generally a good idea to keep this enabled, so you have control over which sites can listen in. For those of you dealing with specific site issues, sometimes explicit permissions might be necessary. Open any website that's been giving you trouble, and look at the address bar. Click the lock icon or the circle with an eye for information. From there, you can manage the specific site settings directly. Ensure the microphone permission for this site is set to Allow. This setting overrides the default permissions and is often needed for sites you visit frequently. Additionally, back in the microphone settings, review the list of sites that are not allowed to use your microphone. If the site you want to enable is listed there, simply click on the trash icon next to it. This removal allows you a fresh start with permissions when you revisit the site. Finally, and most importantly, after changing these settings, restart your Chrome browser to ensure all your new permissions take effect. It's a pivotal step to finalize all the changes we've just made. And there you have it. Your microphone should now be up and running in Google Chrome. With these steps, you can troubleshoot or set up your microphone permissions with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.